When I unearthed Grandma's old recipe book, I didn't expect to find a dish called the Hunger's Feast, scribbled hastily on the last page. The instructions were vague and unsettling, mentioning ingredients like moonlit mist and shadow's whisper. Despite my better judgment, curiosity got the better of me, and I set out to recreate it. As I mixed the ethereal components, a chill crept into the kitchen, and shadows danced erratically across the walls. The moment I finished, a low growl emanated from the darkness, and the air grew thick with an insatiable presence. My heart pounded as I realized this dish was never meant for human consumption, it was bait. The shadows coalesced into a form, eyes gleaming with a ravenous hunger, and it stepped forward, drawn by the scent of the forbidden feast. I backed away, but there was nowhere to hide. The last line of the recipe echoed in my mind.